I know many people will have questions. We'll request them to be pinpoint, good questions. People are there with mics, they'll get to you, put your hand up and I will point to the person and we'll get you a mic. First gentleman right here.
Thank you. I'm Saurabh Mishra from Melbourne. वीरू जी कब जीतेंगे मेलबर्न में?
मैं गया था तब तो जीत गए थे।
नहीं जीते थे। अब मैं था वहां पर, आपने 200 रन 195 रन बनाए थे, लेकिन
नहीं हम लोग वनडे सीरीज जीते।
हाँ वनडे नहीं, मैं टेस्ट की बात कर रहा हूँ।
अभी माहौल वनडे का ही
अभी तो वनडे का माहौल है।
अभी तो जा रहे हैं, फिर से दिसंबर में फिर से जा रहे हैं, मैं उसी के लिए लौट रहा हूँ वहां पर।
होप कि मैं भी जाऊँ आपके साथ।
थैंक यू।
Okay, we need a mic here, row 3 or yeah, ma'am, you can give him the mic. And then after that, row 3.
Yeah, I have a question. Do you believe that the best performing team would be a team full of star performers? You know, you just hire the best, say 10 star guys and put them in a room and they'll do something. Or you form a team with 10 people who would gel well together. They may not be star performers themselves, but the result would be a star performance.
I think I'm believing in the performance, not in the star or talented or whoever. Because there are a lot of people who have more talent than me, but they couldn't perform at international level. So, if somebody can perform really well, you have to take him. Rather than, saying, oh, Sehwag, star है, उसको ले लो तो शायद वो जिता देगा. Maybe Sehwag 1 या 2 मैच जिता देगा, but जो perform कर रहा है वो आपको 3-4 मैच जिताएगा. So I'm a believer in that कि if you have a good bunch of players who are performing well or who know how to perform well, I think that can win the game or win the World Cup or win the tournaments. Rather than, if you have a lot of stars and who have a lot of egos and they say कि हम जिता देंगे, but वो जिता नहीं पाते.
We have a question here. Who has the mic? And then after that, there's a question which
Viru, we are a great fan of you. My questions are related to sports as well as a bit of management in that. You started the one-day play with Sachin when he was playing, whether you were overwrought with his presence on the other side, which was never visible on screen, but in mindset. Second is when your bad time came and you came out of the team, how it affected your personality? These two questions, which will help us also in our business sense.
As a one-day player with Tendulkar.
Yeah.
When I was walking with Tendulkar, there was a confidence that I'm walking with lion in the forest, so nobody can touch me. That kind of confidence I got. That kind of confidence I got from Tendulkar. And I was telling Tendulkar that, they are not thinking about Sehwag, they are thinking about Tendulkar, how to get Tendulkar out. So they are not bothered about Sehwag. So let me play the way I want to play. So, and I think 2011 World Cup or before that, Tendulkar told me that same thing. Now they are worried about Sehwag, not Tendulkar. So that kind of confidence I got with Tendulkar, and he helped me a lot. He taught me how to behave in public. He taught me how to visualize in game of cricket. He taught me how to improve your game. And once I was not scoring runs and I was so depressed, and he told me one thing, just go out there and play for your father and mother. Think that your father, mother are watching you, and you can spend time for them rather than scoring runs and worried about anything. And it's logic, when I'm batting, so my father and mother was watching and they were praying that I can stay for an hour. So, but I couldn't stay for an hour that time. So I realized that, we were thinking so much about batting, skills, technique, bat, head position, this position, but we never thought about our father, mothers while batting. So I learned that also, And what was the second question?
During the lean patch, it affected you personally.
Yeah, what I did in my lean patch, I got dropped from my Indian team. So in 2007, so I went back home from Bangladesh to Najafgarh. It was a long journey, and the moment I landed home, so I told my mom and father that I don't want to see anybody in my house. So if anybody comes, you said Sehwag is not here. So I was getting up at 11 a.m. in the morning. First thing what I did, I tied my shoes, went for a run in May.